This lovely 3-bedroom home has it all, from its expansive landscaped grounds and inviting living spaces to its resort-like pool and desirable Warren location. Approach the entry and step downstairs to the lower level, also accessible via a side entrance from the driveway. Vibrant hardwood floors accent a large, versatile space for an office, play area, or media room. Down the hall, a bright and airy living room creates an engaging space for gatherings. Discover the possibilities for indoor and outdoor living as sliding glass doors let you step out to the fully fenced deck surrounding the above-ground pool. Take a breath of fresh air and feel miles from anything as you survey the stately landscape, offering mature trees and plantings and a picturesque backyard. Move back inside, where a full bath and a tucked-away laundry completes the floor. Segue upstairs to discover a handsome combined living and dining room with a vaulted ceiling lending grandeur to daily living. Walkout access to the private balcony lets you enjoy starlit suppers and unhurried morning coffee overlooking the gorgeous grounds. Finally, step down the hall to find the sleeping quarters. 3 comfortable bedrooms are nicely served by an updated full bath, capping off the dynamic floor plan of this alluring property. A short drive down Metacom Avenue lets you complete errands and pick up a last-minute dinner. Enjoy sociable daily living at the Twisset Country Club, the Warren Library, and the bike path for a scenic pedal along the coast. Become a regular at any of the restaurants along Water Street overlooking the Barrington River. For fine dining and evening entertainment, a 25-minute drive north takes you to the culinary hotspots, theater, sporting events, and commuter rail access of Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jane Rocha at area code 401-527-0105.